A person's review could be almost like the exact tagline or slogan that you've been looking for forever. Part of what the marketing side of our team does is we read every single one of our reviews, and every now and then you'll find an incredible, like, kind of pot of gold in there that, you know, someone is just ranting and raving about this amazing experience that they had with us. We like to take those reviews in a, you know, creative way. We can put them on a photo and share that, and that, you know, generates some social media kind of interest, and people notice that, and the words of someone else can really, you know, hit home. It's super important to everything that we do, because we don't want to just provide them with an experience. We want to provide them with incredible memories. We want them to want to come back, and we want them to remember us and advocate for us.